Okay, next we're going to go to the mold screen. From the view screen, this is what I call the first main menu. It says where you're going to be doing most of your work as you're doing your processing. You'll push the button that says mold. Now these have all your functions for the mold closing and mold opening portion of the machine. And it always follows the way the machine is running. Your top bar is mold closed from left to right. The bottom is mold open from right to left. As it says, it follows the way the machine moves. So what we have here, the machine will open to 15.75 inches. So on mold closing, from 15.75 inches to 1.18 inches, which is our mold protect setting, we are going to be traveling at 725 psi for pressure and 20% flow. When we get to the 1.18 setting, we are going to drop down to 290 psi for pressure and 20% flow. Once we get to 0.39, we are going to go into the high pressure, which is lockup, at 2031 psi, which is maximum system pressure, and then 44% flow. Once we go into the open stroke, we're going to go from 0 to 0.39, which we know is breakaway, at 1,740 psi and 20%. From 0.39 to 14.17, we're going to go 725 psi and 45% flow. We're going to use that speed and pressure until we get to our mold fully open position at 15.75, and our cool time is 15 seconds for this particular part. Also on this screen, we have a cycle count, a cycle time, mold closing time, what the actual clamp position is, our open stroke, cavity pressure if you were to have that option, the mold open time, and the mold open end position.